Hey, this is RabbiTech. I just recently had this black screen issue occur where my background just went fully black, just as you can see on the screen here. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to fix that if that ever happens to you. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, we're going to go down to the taskbar. We're going to right click on the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Then we're going to go and click on drivers and make sure your driver is fully up to date. Now, if you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, what we're going to do is close this out. We're going to go to the Windows icon and we're going to start typing in Device Manager. Then we're going to click on Display Adapters and right click on your graphics card. We're going to update drivers, search for the latest drivers, let that complete. And once that's done, close everything out. So now right click on your background, click Personalize. Make sure your background is set to picture. And then choose the background you want to display. Now just restart your computer and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.